temples in the evening, you hear the sounds of the bells chiming, followed by a long blow of the conch. It's a reminder to everyone in the vicinity nearby to come for the evening prayers for the AARTI. The sound of the bell is a lot like the alerts on our phone. When we hear our phone, it draws our mind's attention away from whatever it is we're doing in that moment to the message on the phone, or reminding us what it is that we should be doing in that moment. Lord Vishnu has 4 hands, holding a shanka, a conch, a chakra, a disc, a GADA, a MACE, and a lotus, PADMA. He starts with blowing his conch to call us to walk the path of Dharma, to walk the path of righteousness, to live in harmony with each other, and to be able to turn within to be the best version of ourselves. If we follow, if we answer his call, we are given the lotus. The lotus is a symbol of beauty, purity, perfection. However, if we stray from the path, he uses the GADA to give us a small knock, or like a tap on the shoulder, to bring us back on track. But if we've wandered too far from the path, where there's no returning now, he uses the chakra, which is destruction. Sometimes it's better to start anew and fresh than to repair something which is so terribly broken. Lord Vishnu calls us, guides us, ensures that we face the consequences of our actions, calls us again and again, until finally he is able to give us the lotus of perfection.